Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain all of these button controls on JBL Authentics 300 speaker. Here we have the controls on the top of our speaker, and the first thing is a volume wheel that you can scroll to adjust the volume, and the light around it indicates the volume level. You can click on it to play or to pause audio. You can click on it twice to skip a track, or click on it 3 times to go back. The next thing is this Bluetooth logo. You can click on this button to start searching for new device to connect it to Bluetooth. This is a power button. You can use it to turn on or off the device. This is a hard button, which will allow you to configure your favorite playlist, and then whenever you click on it, you can play your favorite playlist. And also there's a wheel for treble to adjust treble volume, and bass to adjust bass volume. There's also a button on the back of your device. Let me show you the back of the speaker. Here is the switch for microphone. You can set it to off or on. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.